And next step in this strategy of being secure is going to be backing up your data. So, with all of the tips that we've discussed so far of having those protected passwords and introducing a firewall into your environment, introducing education to your employees overall, there's still chance of human error. And so having a backup strategy for all of your crucial, critical business information and on the other side of your home information as well, this can, like Steve's kind of representing, there are two sides of this, is going to be extremely important just to make sure that you have a backup, for lack of better terms. And so we have, quite a few different options within Dell Technologies, and I know Steve will mention some recommendations on his end as well. But the idea of backing up can be a little overwhelming, but there's lots of different solutions based on the size of your business. And so we represent within Dell Small Business 1 to 99 employees. So, you're not too small or you're not to a point where you're a little bit too large for us to work with there between that 1 to 99 employees. And we can find the right solution, even, narrowing down to backup solutions specifically for the size of data that you're looking to back up. So we have actual hybrid cloud solutions, which kind of uses a combination of cloud storage with a physical server solution for backing up your information or your data. We have full cloud services, so for full cloud application storage services. And then we also have just complete on-site physical storage solutions to also back up. So this is just having that kind of second point of storage that can, if your data is compromised at one endpoint, you have a secondary source to be back up and running with all of that crucial information, applications, everyday, data and needs that you have from your business to stay running business as usual. You would have that at a second point.
Yeah, Megan, those great points. As a data backup, again, it's sort of the core thing people take for granted, but it's when they take it for granted, they find when they need the file, then all of a sudden it's not there. So just using some sort of an online. So if you're at home on your personal device, yeah, absolutely got to have some sort of online backup tool, or for instance, just an external hard drive that maybe you attach to your computer and do backups that way. If you're a Mac user, Mac has a time machine software built right into it. It's a great tool, and it backs up the entire machine. So if you're on a Mac, make sure you've done a time machine backup. Of course, you have iCloud for that. You're on a Windows machine. A lot. What we've seen with a lot of our clients have moved from the office to home, they forget that in the office, a lot of their machines were being backed up there. But when they moved home, that stopped because there are local backup devices at the office. So you need to check to make sure that you have a means of backing up your business laptop, because folks are storing important data on there. They're out of the office now. They used to store it on the server at the office. Now they're storing it on the machine that they're using at home, for instance. That's business information. We need to secure that and back it up. So all the tools you talked about, Megan, and others that are out there can help you make sure these backups are done, and very economically as well. And the other thing I want to just point out too is, your cloud-based email and all your cloud-based services, for instance, Office 365 or Gmail, if you're using OneDrive from Microsoft or SharePoint, those files need to be backed up as well. And a lot of people just don't realize that, and especially from a business perspective, that those services back the data up for themselves, but not for the end user. So if you delete a file and it's gone beyond their retention period, you won't get that file back. So if it's important, there are tools, online and cloud-based tools, to back up Office 365, to back up Gmail, to back up your business data now that's being stored in the cloud. So yeah, really critical, but there's a solution there for just about every means.